let's take a look at these Funmit humidifier cleaning fish that were provided to me as a sample by the brand to create this video, but that never changes what I say in my reviews. And I was interested in these because a humidifier is intended to protect your home and your health from excessively dry air. But unhealthy water in your humidifier can change all of that. Minerals like calcium and magnesium in normal tap water will lead to a white dust in your humidifier, early yellowing of humidifier filters, and even slime growth made up of disgusting mold, bacteria, and algae. The EPA actually explains why this happens. Those crusty, powdery white mineral deposits and scales become breeding grounds for microorganisms. Minerals also discolor expensive humidifier filters found in larger units, and we all know how expensive those are. So to help prevent mineral deposits and the resulting microbial growth in your humidifier, there are two key steps. First, it's best to use distilled water in your machine if at all possible, but be careful. You definitely don't want to use anything labeled drinking water or mineral water or even purified water. These will have minerals and perhaps even more minerals than what comes out of your tap. The water should clearly state that it's distilled water. And second, you can use these Funmit humidifier cleaning fish. They just use these tiny silver ion balls inside the fish to capture the minerals. And each fish should last about 1 month. These work great, but keep in mind that you should still read and follow your manufacturer's water tank maintenance instructions. But you can expect that your regular humidifier cleaning routine will be much easier and the air in your home will be much improved with these Funmit fish in your humidifier. And the last two things, if you aren't yet convinced, keep in mind that these can also be used in fish tanks, and in an emergency, these can be used as mini maracas. I hope this short video has helped you decide if these Funmit humidifier cleaning fish are right for you and your family, and thanks for watching.